What's up guys, it's Matt with some more tech news. So today was Samsung's event and they announced the Galaxy Fold, which is going to start at $1,980 and it looks really nice. Like, I thought it was going to look a little crappy and stuff like that, but now that we have the actual device, it looks very nice. So the Fold features a 4.6-inch external display and a 7.3-inch foldable screen on the inside. So there is like a really unique hinge thing that interlocks with the gears when you open it, which is really cool, and it's very smooth and it's very durable looking too, so that looks really awesome as well. And also there is a three-way multitasking, so you're gonna have WhatsApp, Microsoft Office, and YouTube Premium will support this feature right out of the box, which is really awesome as well. So the specifications on this guy, you're going to have the 7nm chipset, the Snapdragon 855, along with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Now this thing actually has two batteries, and when it's combined it has a 4380 milliamp battery, which is really awesome. So this thing does have 6 cameras actually, which is crazy. So you have 3 cameras on the back, 1 camera on the front, and 2 actually inside of the device. So overall, it looks very good. I really like the colors that they went with, and it just looks more premium than I thought it was, and it definitely looks like something straight out of the future. So thanks for watching this video. I'll keep you guys up to date with the latest tech news, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.